recipe, we need brown sugar. Brown sugar is very good on your skin. It will remove every dead skin and it will smoothen your skin and make it youthful, and it also glow your skin. Just add 1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar, put it in a bowl. Then the next thing we need is honey. This scrub is very active. After using this scrub, your hubby or your partner will keep admiring your skin. Even people around you will keep admiring your skin. You see how glow and flawless your skin will look. So you just mix it, put it together and mix it. You mix it very well. Then after mixing it, the next thing we need is olive oil. We need olive oil. Just add 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Add 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. You mix it. You mix it very well. Then you add baking soda. We need baking soda. So this is my baking soda. Just add small baking soda, just a pinch of baking soda, just a little baking soda. This one is okay. Then you mix it. This is what you will use to scrub your face and look beautiful without makeup. People will admire your skin. You see how glow your skin will look like. Just try this recipe and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. So guys, after mixing it, right now I'm going to show you guys how to apply. So guys, this is the face scrub. Before you apply this face scrub, first of all, you have to wash your face very well. You use warm water to wash your face. Make sure that your face is clean before scrubbing your face with this face scrub. So after washing your face, then you use this face scrub to apply. First of all, you apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, then you use it to scrub your face. Use this to scrub your face as I'm doing right now. So you use it to scrub your face very well. Then after scrubbing your face, you leave it for about 15 minutes. Then you wash it off with warm water. After washing it off, you moisturize your skin. To get perfect result, repeat this 3 times a week to get perfect results. You see how smooth, flawless, and you even look good without makeup after using this recipe. Just tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. My name is Juliet Godswill. Please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow and like my page, and also tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.